stop living your life in fear. I might lose my mind. Yes, you, the one watching my video right now. Do you think at age 17 when I wanted to become a lifeguard, I wasn't scared? I wasn't nervous? I was 100 pounds diving in a 6-foot deep pool, picking up a brick, swimming up, and then swimming with it on my chest across the pool. It was hard. I was nervous, but I did it. I passed. I became a lifeguard. Do you think whenever I graduated high school at age 17 and joined the military and went to boot camp, I wasn't scared? Yeah, I was scared when I got to boot camp. I was by myself. I couldn't call my family. I couldn't say, hey, help me. I had people screaming at me 24/7. Do you think when I got stationed across the world to Alaska, 4,000 miles away from my family, I wasn't scared? I wasn't nervous? Yeah, I was. I was an 18-year-old leaving everything that I'd known behind. Do you think when I invested in digital marketing, I was scared? I was nervous? Yes, I was, because we were broke. And I thought, what if this doesn't work? What if this is a scam? I am telling you, you have to take opportunities, because if I wouldn't have taken all these different opportunities, my life wouldn't be where it is at now. I wouldn't have made $20,000 working off my phone doing online digital marketing if I never got started. So stop living in fear. Go to that link in my bio. Go to my website, www.besuccessfulwithemily.com. Grab the opportunity call. Learn about selling with confidence. See if it's for you. See if you're willing to put in the work to change your life and make money online. And if you are, I can't wait to work with you and just help you be successful.